Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download Spotify on your PC. And yeah, that's actually gonna be a very quick tutorial how, and just watch this video all the way to the end. So first, open Microsoft Store, and if you don't know how, just click on this symbol here, Windows searcher, and type for Microsoft Store like this. Open it, and here click on search again and search for Spotify music, this app here. Wait, it's loading. Now click on get. As you can see, it's free. Wait a few seconds. Click on install. You own this app. Yeah, and that's how actually to download. This is the easiest way to download Spotify on your PC, and it's free. As you can see, it's legal because it's from Microsoft Store. It's not some virus or hack or something. And as you can see here, we have Spotify music. And if I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also as you can see, just you have to log in here or to sign up for free. And yeah, if I helped you out, if you're finding this video helpful, you can give a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, comment down below the video in the comments, and I'll try to respond in a few days. And see you next video. Bye.